Guys, how are you? It's Cam. Whew, I sound a little out of breath because I am literally chopping down a bamboo forest to get bamboo supplies for Brenny's friends project.
I love stuff.
Such a short time being alive. All this hardship and convenience makes it so hard to make sense. I will listen now. I will listen now. And I know it's just a matter of time before we tumble across the borderline. We can't go forward and we can't rewind.
Want to say hello?
I will listen now. I will listen now.
You want to give a little rundown on what we're doing? I kind of gave an intro, but
So we have a Japanese pagoda in the backyard, and we have a whole wall, or lack thereof, about 70 to 100 feet, and I would like to weave a bamboo divider between our house and the neighbors.
and where'd you first see this project?
On Pinterest.
Pinterest. Okay, so we'll throw that up.
So I watched a documentary. Not documentary,
Instructional video.
Instructional video. It's not even a video, but tells you how to split the bamboo and weave it. Actually, it doesn't tell you how to weave it, but I'll figure that one out. But good friend of ours was very generous enough to let us come down and take apart his forest here.
We got a lot of stuff here. You think we're good for now? I know. So the trick is, how long? 6 weeks?
We're supposed to cure them for 6 weeks.
You're supposed to let these dry for 6 weeks before you can use a bamboo splitter that I bought off Amazon for like 35 bucks. That just arrived yesterday. To split them in 4, you can get the splitter in 4, 6, or 8. I went with the 4. And then that splits one stalk into 4, 6, or 8 slips and allows you to weave them. I'm still not sure how you can weave it while it's dry, but it's a whole other story. She might have to do a little more research, but that's where we're at now. We've got our little Toyota Tacoma, 200,000 miles, and using a couple sawzalls and a machete. Fence for our yard. Don't know if this is going to work, but we got plenty of bamboo here. Cutting it down with a clipper, actually, and then just hacking away. Good old-fashioned machete. Nothing like Memorial Day to get a little exercise and time with nature. But all kidding aside, I'm not sure if this project's going to work. In theory, it sounds great. She's seen some stuff online. You take the bamboo, you cut it down, you dry it for about 6 years, and then I've already ordered the bamboo splitter off of Amazon. What size is this thing? Split the bamboo after it's dry into 4 parts, and use that as a weave. Been really bad about putting videos up. Part of that's just because we've been so busy between work and the pool and the yard. But I decided I'm just going to make a ton of shorts, get them up quick, not worry as much about production quality. Just get stuff out there, because I've been listening to a bunch of you famous YouTubers out there, and you talk about how if you want to become, up the ranks, get more subscribers, the key, first and foremost, is just get a lot of consistent content out there. And I started doing that, and I've dropped the ball the last 2 or 3 months, so I'm going to try and get back on the fence and put something up every 2 or 3 days. I know it's tall order, but we're going to go for it. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like as much as it actually is. You'd be surprised how much bamboo is inside the bed of this pickup truck right now. Easy part was collecting it. The tricksy part's gonna be prepping it, right honey?
Yes, that's what we need to do, Archie.
So fortunately, we have a very short ride home, but I do still need to tie this down somehow so we don't lose any of it in the roadway.
What?
Honey, what are we doing? Well, Brenny's lost her phone. We're driving with our bamboo. She thinks she might have left it on the roof of the car, which we've only gone half a mile. So.
No, that hood.
The hood. We would have seen it if it was on the hood. But we're pulling up to 113 now. The bamboo did not fall out the truck, thankfully. That's Jim. Let's look at Jim's reaction when he sees us coming home.
Hello, Addie.
Addie!
Are you driving? Look, you have a Jeep. Oh, we're not in the Jeep. Duh. Look in the back. Brace yourself.
Love you.
Yep, it's happening.
The Wilsons are home.
The Wilsons are back.